Italian sausage. Just using 1/4. Dice the onions and then in it goes. But I just want to add pepper, a little bit of salt, and garlic powder. So wait until it browns. Just cook it until the red or pink is gone. Just brown it a little bit. So this is Italian sausage with egg wrap. So I wrap it on the tortillas that I just warmed earlier. I don't know if I need to rewarm it, but I already warmed it, so it's at least not refrigerator temperature. So now looks like it's cool, so I'll put them all to the side, and in the middle that's where I'm gonna cook the egg. So a little bit of oil. So only for this cooking, like 1 tablespoon of oil. Then wrap the egg inside. Egg because I'm really hungry. 2 eggs recipe. So just layer it in. Just put a little bit of salt on the yolk. So depending on how you want your yolk, you want it runny, you can get it as soon as it turned white, but I like it firmer for more cook. So I would just flip it. But it's still not cooked enough, so let it run for a while. There we go. I flip it. Put the salad on top. So this one, I'll just put one of the eggs in. It's still running, so you're right, it's running. Here's a runny egg for you. Egg on top. The sausage. I'm just gonna plate one to show you, but I'm gonna eat two. I'm very hungry. And then on top of this, I'm gonna put extra sharp cheddar cheese. And there you have it. A wrap, and it looks very good. Okay, I'm gonna taste it, and then I'll eat this, and then I'll eat the other one later. Very good. You can also add salsa if you want, whatever condiments you want, but this is a good lunch for me. Okay, see you later, bye.